What's up, Pam? Today I'm doing replace the wiper switch for 1996. Just pick up a new project. I just get these parts from Rock Auto. These are the part number. I'm just gonna show you I think the quick way instead of the long way. Alright, let's get it. So now this is the newer one. This one is brand new. I'm gonna replace this one right here because it's broken. This is common for Honda 1996 and up, or like the 90s. So you see that it's broken. So what I'm gonna do, just take this steering column cover, and then there's a few screw underneath that holding the cover. First, I'm gonna take off the negative battery because I don't want to energize the airbag, because I don't want to, like, poke something and then pop the airbag. So I'm gonna take up the negative first just to make sure we're on the safe side. So I'm just gonna take up the negative battery. So here I seen there's 3 screw holding cover. Now I'll tilt this one so we can this cover. You have some few clips, that's why it takes me longer. So there's 3. This clip here, you have to push in so you can take it off. So once you get to this, pretty much you're almost there. A few more screw. Next, this is the one right here. So there's a screw here. There's 2 screw. This one and this one. And there's another one, I believe. So there's 2 screw like this, and then so once you take off these 2 screw that holding this one, sometimes they stubborn, so you have to get like a pick. So pry it from here. There you go. Then slowly take it in, and that's the washer, wiper. Wiper switch. Sometimes you just have to be patient with this one. Okay, these are the old one, and then compare from the newer one. Same connectors, same with this 2 screw that hold the switch. So see that it's new. compare from the old one. Okay, so to install, you just reverse. You just have to be careful because you don't want your connectors to be loosened. First, once you hear the click, that's good. You have to hear a click just to make sure they are really connected. Then all reverse. Get your screw. You don't have to go all the way tight because you don't want the screw to get stripped. It's just snug. Okay. So now I'm gonna connect the negative battery and then test it out, and then I'm gonna install this one later on just to make sure everything's fine, so you don't have to go back and forth. So now it's working. So everything's working fine now. I'm going to install the cover. It's all reverse because in all data or other shop, if you don't know how to work on the cars, they will take this one off, or they search on YouTube. They're just gonna charge you the full labor, and then they're gonna do a shortcut. So here I'm just showing you a shortcut way so you save money. So 3 screw and then 2 screw, so in total of 5 screw and able to get to this. So these are the most common problem for, like, 90s Hondas, because this one get worn out. And the parts, they called a wiper switch. I get it from Rack Auto. It's only like 15 or 20 bucks, so you can do it by yourself. You just need some few tools, just 10mm. Just take off the negative battery, and then screwdriver, and then that's it. Pretty much that's it. So you save a lot of money by doing the job with your own. Alright, so I hope this video helped you a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.